Welcome, SATs geniuses, to question number 8. In this sequence, the rule to get to the next number is multiply by 2 and then add 3. So to get from 25 to 53, we have to do exactly that. We have to multiply by 2 and then add 3. So to get to the next number, we're going to multiply by 2 and then add 3. So we can work that out. Well, 53 multiplied by 2, you can probably do that in your head. It should be 106, but let's just check. 2 lots of 3 is 6, 2 lots of 5 is 10, so it's 106. But then we need to add on 3. So 106 add on 3 is going to be 109. So this number on the end here is going to be 109. Now, we had a question like this earlier on this same paper. To get from 25 backwards to the first box, we need to go the opposite direction. Now, if you go in the opposite direction, you need to reverse the operations that we're doing to the number. So if we're going off to the right with times 2 plus 3, if we're going backwards to the left, we need to do the opposite of plus 3, which is subtract 3, and then the opposite of multiply by 2, which is going to be divide 2. And we've got to do it in that order as we go backwards. So the first thing we get to when we go backwards from the 25 is minus 3. So 25 minus 3, 5 take 3 is 2, 2 take nothing is 2, is 22. So we're on 22, and then 22 divided by 2. Well, if you're dividing by 2, you're halving it, so half of 22 is 11, so the answer should be 11. If you're not quite sure, you could do a quick buzz shelter. 22 divided by 2, 2's into 2 goes once, 2's into 2 goes once. So as you can see, it is definitely going to be 11. But yes, you've got to remember, if your sequence is going off to the right, you do the operations, multiply by 2, then add 3. But if your sequence is being reversed off to the left, then you need to do the opposite of add 3, which is subtract 3, and the opposite of multiply by 2, which is divide by 2. Final answers, 11 and 109.